Hi friends, so today I am going to make curry. It's spelled as Khari, and it's a very good dish and it's completely vegan. It's made with chickpea flour. I'm taking chickpea flour over here, so it says 237 ml. I'm going to take a little bit more to make it even 1.5 cups. That should do it. And if you want to see kind of what type I'm using, it's a premium quality besan flour. It's nice, and yeah, once you buy this lasts for quite some time. Alright, step 2 is you need 500 grams of yogurt. So I'm using original yogurt, no 1%, 2% or 3%. This is yogurt, just the natural way. It's available over here. I'm gonna whisk it a little bit. It's 500 grams. Alrighty, so here comes the spice section. So with this, I'm gonna go with cumin seeds, coriander seeds, or cumin powder. You can see them now. Okay, cumin powder, coriander powder. So 1 teaspoon, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, ouchie, half a teaspoon of red chili powder, and 1 teaspoon of garam masala powder. This is salt. I don't know if you can see. It's right here. This is salt, 1 tablespoon of salt. And this is a 1/4 tablespoon of citric acid. Citric acid. Why we are using citric acid is because in some places, in some countries, yogurt is sour to taste. And sometimes yogurt is sweet in taste. So depending upon where you live, you can use, citric acid to bring the acidity or sourness in your dish. Alright, all of that we're gonna put into a blender and blend. I mean, the besan flour or chickpea flour or gram flour, however you call it, and the yogurt and the spices. Some of, forgot to mention, I'm gonna use a little bit of chopped green chili pepper, just not too hot. I am gonna use a little bit of coriander and a little bit of mint. I have chopped them coarsely. I'm going to use a little bit of that as well. And this is going to be my tadka. So I'm going to use cooking oil, and I'm going to use dried round red chili pepper and curry leaves and cumin seeds. So this I'm going to fry it at the very end separately, and then I'm going to pour it over the dish. Alrighty, let's bring in my blender. Alrighty, my blender is clean. There's nothing wrong with it. You can see it in the frame or in the picture. Okay, move things a little bit around here. Alrighty. Now, first things first. Bring it in the center. Okay. First things first. Put half the yogurt. Alrighty. I don't know, I like to lick things. Licking yogurt has been quite favorite since when I was young. So, cleaning it every once in a while. Alrighty. So, chickpea flour. 1 heaps, 2 heaps, 3 heaps, 4 heaps, 5 heaps, 6 heaps, 7 tablespoons heapful. Alrighty, now I'm gonna add my citric acid. I hope didn't drop it. Okay, I'm gonna put my garam masala, all of it, my red chili powder, all of it, my turmeric powder, all of it, my coriander powder, all of it, my salt, all of it, and my cumin powder. Don't drop. Come on. All of it. Okay, that's neatly done. One thing out of the way. Now, I'm gonna put some green chilies. They are not hot, so I'm not worried. And I'm gonna put some coriander leaves and mint leaves. Stop right here. Put some yogurt. Alrighty, we're gonna need some water. Alrighty. Yay, smirking is working its magic. Nice. Don't worry, it's all gonna settle down. Not worried about anything. Okay, this goes here. Let's put the rest of the yogurt on the top. It's already looking really good. Alrighty, this goes there. A little bit more water. And there goes a little bit more water. Not gonna top it all the way, but still. Alrighty. Let's lock it and rock it. Now I'm gonna blend it for at least 30 seconds. So come back, or you can wait. Alright, this is done. I'm gonna pour this in my cooking pot directly without any hesitation. Oh, bravissima is coming out. Ooh, alrighty. There you go. Into my pot. Huh. Come to think of it, it smells really good. Okay, give it 1 second. Add some water to it. 500 ml of water going in. And, whoops. Alrighty, that's done with. Take this out. Mix. And I'll show you. Now, I'm gonna cook this for at least 45 minutes. It's not on the stove, just showing you. I'm gonna cook this mixture for at least 45 minutes. And if I feel that I need, I'm gonna add more water to it to keep the consistency. Alright friends, now I'm gonna come to the second part. I'm gonna make pakoras. Pakoras, you put 2.5 medium-sized slivered onions or sliced onions, however you want to call it. Okay, and this I'm going to put all of my coriander leaves and my mint leaves that are chopped. And this I'm going to add my green chilies, chopped green chilies. Sorry about that. Frame thing. Okay, so slivered onions, green chilies, coriander, and mint leaves. Okay, and this main ingredient is gonna go in. This again, basin flour. This time, I'm gonna take 1 cup again. What's with the dropping, man? Okay, it goes in. A little more over than 1 cup. That's pretty much it. All the flour. At the moment, move it from here, there, and this. I need my trusty measuring spoon. Alrighty, I'm gonna add 1/2 teaspoon of crushed red chili pepper. Half a teaspoon of coriander powder. If you want things to be chewy, it's alright. You can use whatever you want. You can use the powder crushed or so cumin. half a teaspoon of cumin powder. Okay, come to the next item. I'm already using turmeric in my main curry, so I'm not going to use turmeric over here. I'm going to use half a teaspoon of red chili powder. Not much. Alrighty, let's put these back. I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste Mitchell's. Alright, salt. Salt, I always eyeball it, so not more. Half a teaspoon-ish. Baking powder, this much, say a quarter teaspoon. It's gonna keep the crispiness. Alrighty, last but not the least, where is my trusty flour? Okay, I'm unable to find my trusty flour, so I'm gonna use this one. Doesn't really matter, but still, what I like. Alrighty, here's my all-purpose flour. I'm gonna use half a cup. This much should be good enough. Okay, that's my all-purpose flour. Now I'm going to tell you why I'm using all-purpose flour. I found where I keep things. Okay, so I have got. All right, now I'm going to add slivered potatoes. Wash them, rinse them. This much is good enough. Okay. I'm gonna need water. And last but not the least, for fragrance and taste, ow, I'm gonna add some fenugreek leaves. Not much. This much should do. Say 1 teaspoon, no more than that. I'm going to add some water to it. This one should be good enough. And I'm going to gently mix it. Should do the trick. Oh boy. Very sticky. And I'm gonna let it sit for half an hour in the fridge so that this may air out a little bit. A little bit more water. That should do the trick. Because the potatoes and the onions that I have used in this, they're going to leave their water as well. So if you overdo this with water in the beginning, like right now at this stage when you're mixing it, you won't be able to make pakoras like the way I want, or like the way it's supposed to be. There you go. Now it has started to work. The salt in this is working. So the reason why I put the flour, the all-purpose flour, is because when you fry it, and when it's almost near to done, it won't turn red or it won't turn dark brown. It will maintain its yellowish light brown color. It will look very pleasing to the eyes. So that's why I have added the flour. Also, when I'm going to put these in the mix of my curry, the flour is going to thicken the curry. But there you go, guys. All ready. Okay, I'll come back. So, after 45 minutes to 50 minutes, it looks like this. I have cooked it on low flame. It's all thickened up. I haven't have added any thickening agent whatsoever, and that's just the way it is. It's boiled cream. I have been stirring up on and on, on and on, on and on, so that it doesn't stick on the bottom. But apart from that, it's very good. It tastes yummy. Not too salty, not overly spicy, and not too sour. Right at the balance. So after 45 minutes, my pakora batter looks like this, or my dumpling batter looks like this. So come out very nicely, very thick, very consistent. I'm gonna fry it, and we'll come back. When your curry comes like this form, it starts to bubble, then you know it's ready. With the help of a spoon, I'm frying my dumplings or pakoras. So that's how my fried dumplings look like. They're very nice, very crunchy, just the right color, right consistency, and they're perfectly cooked. Here are some more. Not oily, perfectly crispy. And there are some more. I have half the batter remaining now. I have added all the pakoras or all the fried dumplings into my curry, and this is how it looks like. And I'm going to leave it for half an hour. In the meanwhile, I am going to make the tadka, which is going to comprise of oil, cumin seeds, curry leaves, and the round chili pepper. Which are here. So that's how I'm going to fry it with the oil, and I'm going to put it in. I'm going to add this to my frying pan, and then I'm going to add it into this. All right. And now I'm going to add this to this. Very hot. The end product, it looks like this. Sorry. My daughter is singing in the background. I apologize for that. She is who she is. I'm very thankful to God for everything. And that's how, folks, you make the curry. Or curry, as they pronounce it in South Asia.